Hello YouTube, this is Command TV, and today we are opening up another random pack. Burning Shadows. Alright, now let's do this. This cardboard is really bad. Okay, well, I mean, it's good for protection, but it's awful to me because I can never manage to get it open. Alright, here we go. Today, these are some of the random cards that we are opening up today. So, let's see what we can get in this Burning Shadows pack. Cross your fingers that we get the Rainbow Rare Charizard. I'm sure we won't. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put that up in the front. Water Energy. Whirlpeed, I don't know how to pronounce that, but I will call it Whirlpeed. Guzma. Riombi. Horsey. Hewdifly. Ladybug. Alolan Grimer. Riolu. Reverse Sneasel, and wow. That's perfect. Very, very perfect. Alright, if you guys enjoy this video, just kidding. We have more packs. We have Ultra Prism, Guardians Rising, Burning Shadows, and a Primal Clash. So, we'll open up, let's see here, Primal Clash first, then Guardians Rising, then Burning Shadows, and then Ultra Prism. Alright. Okay, there we go. That opened up better than I thought. Code card was already showing. There you go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is Primal Clash. Okie dokie. Grovyle. Special Energy, Shield Energy. That was a mouthful to say, to be honest. Whiscash, Meryl, oh my chair, Surskit, Zigzagoon, my cat again, Trico, Shroomish, Reverse Hollow, Trainer, Maxie's Baldrick, and I accidentally showed the rare. There's the Kingdra, non-hollow. I do kind of like the Reverse Trainer because they're kind of rare. Or at least I think they are. I don't have much. Okay. Guardians Rising. Como-O, I think it's called. No, still no. Yeah, there we go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Energy. That was a Psychic Energy. Weeping Bell. Fletchender, Sliggoo, Nosepass, Talio, I don't know, Rockruff, Goomy, Slowpoke, Reverse Rockruff, Sharpedo. Guardians Rising. Okay. There we go. Oh my. Oh my. This pack is sealed shut. Never mind. That kind of looks like a miscut, but not like a really bad miscut. Just a miscut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Enchanted Hammer. Loma Loma, I think. Yeah, it's called Loma Loma. Marini. Murkrow. Sandlit. Nosepass. Talio. Rockruff. Alolan Vulpix. And a Holo Golisopod. Very nice. Here's my rare pile. Burning Shadows. We can do this. We can get the Charizard if we open up about 1,000 more packs. I don't even think that will do it. Okay. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you have pulled the Charizard. If any of you have, you're very lucky. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, or Lightning Energy, Seadra, Bodybuilding Dumbbells, Acerola, Sock, Porygon, Caterpie, Panpour, Alolan Rattata. I call it Rattata because that's how I first pronounced it, and that's how I learned how to pronounce it. So I don't pronounce it Rattata. Reversed Tynamo, no clue. That is some very nice, don't know what that's called. I had a brain fart, but very nice work into that. Not graphics. It's not computerized. I think it's called like, it's not sewing, but you get like yarn and all that, and you make something out of it. I don't know. Alright, I shouldn't be thinking about that still. We have Ultra Prism to open up as our last pack. Now, if you haven't seen my Ultra Prism pre-release opening up video, you should go check that out, see what I pulled. I mean, it's not the best, but it's still pretty neat. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully we can pull a Prism card, because I still haven't gotten one of those yet. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning Energy, Gumshoos, Ancient Crystal, Spiritomb, Passimian, I think. I don't know. That was Passimian? Yeah, sure. Shinx, Execute, Magnemite, Weasel. Oh my gosh, I got a Prism card. Oh, I got one. Oh my. Rare. There we go. That was some really bad singing. Okay, here it is. My first Prism card out of just a booster pack. Oh, wow. That's so neat. Alright, so now that we've got that finished, Golisopod and Super Boost Energy Prism card. Wow. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you guys next Saturday. Thanks for watching, and of course, wait, of course goodbye? Nah, just goodbye. Bye!